Me definitely have to come back and do a next one because the water can get much clearer than this. Because the last time we did here, and we used the GoPro, the water was even more clear than that. Alright, second throw, third throw of the day. From this point on, I stop counting. So I just throw and make you see what going on underneath the water. We might not put in all of the throws them. Oh wait, the magnet stuck to something. Oh, it can move now. Yeah, I may have something now, yes. Nah man, let's hear it. I don't know if I have nothing yet. It could be stone. I realize all the stone them average underneath the water. When it's stuck on the magnet, when the magnet hits between the stone them, it feels like that's something you have. So you have to just be careful.